Hey, would you like to make some extra money in your spare time just watching videos? Well, you come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you these apps to earn money just watching videos. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at the first app. The name of this app is LootUp. So on this site, you're going to earn rewards for completing simple tasks. And here are the tasks that you're going to be completing. High paying surveys, complete offers, spin the wheel daily, play games, shop online, weekly and monthly contests, free giveaways, earn cash back, and of course, watch videos. Now, as soon as you sign up, you're going to get $5 right off the bat, and it's very easy to sign up. Now, this is how it works. So you're going to create a free account and start accessing rewarding opportunities. And then number 2, you're going to share your opinion, play games, complete offers, watch videos, shop and earn cash back, enter giveaways and more. And number 3, you're going to redeem rewards as you earn for cash via PayPal, gift cards, or cryptocurrency via BitPay. Now this is what people are saying about this app. So this person right here says, redeem my points quickly and easy. And this other person says, one of the best sites ever. It gives extra earning options. Now on to the next app. Name of this one is TV-2. So you just go to tv-2.com to pull up this app. So what is TV-2? So on here you watch videos, earn cryptocurrency, and boost earnings. So this is how you use TV-2. You're going to download TV-2. So get the TV-2 app for your Samsung or LG Smart TV. So you can download it from your TV too, guys, or as well as your iOS or Android smartphone. So you're going to link devices. So doing the first start of the TV app, scan your QR code from your TV screen to sync your TV with your smartphone. And then number 3, you're going to lean back and earn crypto. Machine learning curates the perfect programming just for you. Earn TTV, Ethereum tokens, for every second you watch. Here are some shows that you're going to be watching, like Unbox Therapy. And here's how the balance look in the app. Okay guys, I'm at the third app. Name of this app is Media Rewards. So watch TV, listen to the radio, get rewarded. So what is Media Rewards? Earn easy cash rewards just by watching TV, YouTube, and listening to the radio. To start making money and earning free gift cards, just install the app and leave it in the background. It's as easy as it sounds. Sounds very easy, guys. How it works. So you're going to sign up. Every month we have limited spots. Download and fill out your profile to qualify. Watch and enjoy. The app runs smoothly in the background. Just sit back, relax, and start watching your favorite show on TV. And then number 3, make easy cash. Points, take paid surveys, earn cash, and free gift cards. Now here's why everybody loves Media Rewards. They have low battery usage, low data usage, and privacy protected. So here's what one person saying right here about the app. They said just leave the app running and get on with your life. All the while earning points in the background. Too easy. And here are the ratings. So in the App Store is 4.8 and then Google Play Store is 4.7. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this 3 times a week. Okay guys, one more thing before I leave. If you're having trouble manifesting money, well, there's an ebook that you can download that will help you manifest money fast with numbers. All you gotta do is just click on the link in the description below or in the comments that says click this link to learn how to manifest with numbers. Alright guys, thanks again for tuning in. Road to 9,000 subscribers. Let's go, let's get it. And on that note, get your grind on, because our grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to learn more ways on how to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.